healthy habits. To stay healthy, wake up early morning.
Because early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before eating. Eat healthy foods. Drink plenty of water. And do exercise regularly. Good morning, everyone. Let's continue our lesson in biology, components of food. Today we will study about vitamins. Vitamins are compounds essential for proper functioning of our body. They are required by our body in small amounts but are essential for keeping us fit and healthy. They protect us from various diseases. They keep our skin, eyes, teeth and bones healthy. The foods rich in vitamins are called protective foods. Vitamins do not provide energy. They only help in the proper utilization of other nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats. The various sources of vitamins are green leafy vegetables, milk, fruits, eggs, fish, and whole grain cereals. The different vitamins required by our body are vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. There are around 20 known vitamins. Each vitamin present in a particular kind of food and performs a specific function. Vitamins are classified as fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins can dissolve in fat. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. They are stored in the body along with the fat tissues and used when needed. Our body prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. The best time to get exposed to the sun is between 11 am and 1 pm when the sun is at its nexus. Water-soluble vitamins can dissolve in water. Vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6 and B12 together known as vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins need to be taken regularly in our diet as they cannot be stored in our body for a long period of time. Vitamin C is destroyed by heat during cooking. That is why our diet must consist of raw and fresh fruits and half-cooked vegetables.